Greetings. In this lecture, we will continue our discussion of the English vowels and their description. But before we do that, we will review some of the basic concepts and terms that were presented in the previous lecture. So, let's begin. In the previous lecture, we presented a very important concept for the description of vowel sounds, that of cardinal vowels. So once again, what is meant by cardinal vowels? Cardinal vowels are a set of standard reference points devised by the British phonetician Daniel Jones to provide a precise means of identifying the vowel sounds of a language. The cardinal vowel system is based on a combination of articulatory and auditory judgments. We also said that language sounds are either consonants or vowels. To describe a consonant, we determine its place of articulation, that's to say the point of contact, manner of articulation, and its voicing, that's to say the state of the vocal folds. In contrast, to describe a vowel, we have to answer these three basic questions. Number 1, how high is the highest part of the tongue in the mouth? Number 2, how front to back is the highest part of the tongue in the mouth? And number 3, are the lips rounded or unrounded? The tongue can produce hundreds of different vowel sounds because it can take hundreds of different positions in the mouth. The tongue is the most active, mobile and flexible organ of speech. 1 millimeter, up or down, forward or backward, makes the tongue produce a different vowel sound. Let's get back to the three basic questions that we raised earlier. As for the first question, vowels are categorized according to 4 vertical points: close, mid-close, mid-open, or open. As for the second question, vowels are categorized according to 3 horizontal points, and those points are front, central, or back. As for the third and last question, vowels are categorized according to the shape of the lips, and the lips can take different shapes ranging from spread, neutral, or rounded. With that being said, now you are more than ready to start the description of the vowel sounds. First, we start with the long vowels, and we have 5 of those in English. But before we do that, look at the left of the screen and you can see the quadrilateral figure that we said that we will use for the purpose of drawing the vowels of English. Horizontally speaking, this point here refers to the front part of the mouth, and this one here refers to the central part, and the last one refers to the back point. That is in relation to the horizontal axis. Now when it comes to the vertical axis, this point here, when we raise our tongue, our mouth will be closed, and this point here is referred to as the mid-close position. And of course this one here is going to be the mid-open, and finally the open mouth position or tongue position. The first long vowel is the E sound, as in seat, need, and beat. As shown in the figure, this is a front close vowel. The lips are spread. Next is the R sound, as in arm, car, and part. If we examine its position in the figure, we realize that this is a back and open vowel. The lips have a neutral shape. This symbol here refers to the O sound, as in all and call. Judging from its position in the figure, we can confidently say that this is a back vowel between half closed and half open tongue height. The lips have a rounded shape. Next on our list is the oo sound, as in tool, fool, and moon. And this one is a back closed vowel in which the lips are rounded in shape. The last long vowel is the sound, as in third, girl, and turn. This long vowel is mid-central, and by mid-central we mean that it is in the middle position vertically and horizontally. The lips have neutral shape. At this point, look closely and carefully examine the symbols of each and every one of these long vowels. By doing so, you will realize that they have one thing in common. That's right, the colon. The colon used within the symbol of long vowels traditionally refers to length. So whenever you have a colon, it means that this is a long vowel. So far, we have dealt with in details the description of English long vowels. The next stop on our pure vowel list is the English short vowels. Now once again, the short vowels in English are 7 in total. The first short vowel is the E sound, as in sit, hit and thin. If you look at its position in the figure, you realize that this is a front closed vowel. The lips have a spread shape. Next is the E sound, as in set, read and went. Judging from its position, this one is a front mid, that's to say between half closed and half open vowel. The lips have a spread shape. This symbol here refers to the A sound, as in sat, cat and hat. Judging from its position, this one is a front open vowel. The lips are spread. The next symbol here refers to the O sound, as in on, top and pot. Its position says that this vowel is a back open vowel. The lips are rounded in shape. Next is the U sound, as in put, cook and look. This vowel here is a back closed vowel. The lips are rounded. This next symbol here refers to the A sound, as in up, cut and fun. Its position clearly indicates that it's a central vowel between open and half open. The lips are neutral. The last vowel on our short vowel list is the schwa sound, as in ago, about and mother. This vowel occurs frequently in English and is considered one of the most important short vowels or vowels in English. And of course, worthy of such a frequently occurring vowel is its unique characteristics. This vowel is considered mid-central, and once again, mid-central means that this vowel is in the middle position vertically and horizontally. The lips are neutral in shape. To sum up, in this lecture, we talked about the definition of cardinal vowels, and then we discussed the criteria on the basis of which we describe the vowel sounds of English, and then we described in details the English short and long vowels.